Find My Device, what is it and how to use it? Find My Device is a feature that allows you to locate, ring, or erase your Android device remotely if you lose it or it gets stolen. To use Find My Device, you need to have a Google account and turn on the feature on your device. Here are the steps to do so. On your device, go to Settings, Google Find My Device and make sure it is turned on. On another device, such as a computer or another phone, go to Find My Device or find your phone and sign in with your Google account. You will see a map with the location of your device and some options to interact with it. You can choose to play a sound, lock your device, or erase your data. Question: how to find my Android device by phone number? To find your lost Android device using your phone number, you can use the Google Find My Device service. Here's how to do it. 1. Ensure that your lost device is signed into a Google account, has location turned on, and has Find My Device turned on. 2. On a browser, go to android.com/find. 3. Sign into your Google account. 4. The lost device will receive a notification. If your device is off or not connected to mobile data or Wi-Fi, you may still find its most recent location if you've enabled Store Recent Location. However, to lock or erase an Android device, make sure that the device has power, is connected to mobile data or Wi-Fi, and is signed into a Google account. Please note that using your phone number to find your device directly is not possible. The methods mentioned above rely on the Google Find My Device service, which requires a Google account and an internet connection on the lost device.